Samsung has dropped hints about its upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the buzz is already building. Will this be the ultimate flagship, or is it just another shiny refresh? If you're stuck deciding whether to hold out for the S26 Ultra or snag the S25 Ultra while discounts are hot, you're not alone. We've combed through all the leaks, insider tidbits, and prototypes to give you the real story. No fluff, just straight talk. Performance that packs a punch. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is set to launch with the 2nd-gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite, designed for Galaxy. This powerhouse promises a performance boost like no other. Think 30% faster graphics, a 25% bump in CPU power, and improved multitasking thanks to enhanced caching. With support for cutting-edge RAM technology and a rumored 16GB option, speed enthusiasts won't be disappointed. It's not just an upgrade, it's a refinement tailored for peak performance. Camera upgrades, real or rhetoric? Let's set the record straight. The S26 Ultra will feature one 200-megapixel main sensor, just like the S25 Ultra. However, Samsung is integrating the upgraded HP2 sensor with better pixels and lenses for enhanced photo quality. The potential game-changer lies in the telephoto lens. Rumors suggest replacing the outdated 10-megapixel 3x zoom with a cutting-edge 50-megapixel lens. If Samsung delivers on variable zoom levels like 3.5x and 8x, photography enthusiasts will notice a real difference. The stylus drama: will the S Pen stay or go? Rumors are swirling about Samsung possibly ditching the built-in S Pen, but fans can breathe easy for now. The S26 Ultra keeps the stylus, complete with Bluetooth. Any changes will likely come later, perhaps with the S27 Ultra, but for now, stylus lovers are safe. Battery life, incremental or impressive? Early prototypes suggest a possible 5,500 mAh battery, a nice step forward, but Samsung might stick with its reliable 5,000 mAh option. Instead, the focus appears to be on optimizing display power efficiency for longer battery life. Either way, users can expect solid performance here. Design, subtle tweaks, not a revolution design-wise. Don't expect a bold new look. At first glance, the S26 Ultra resembles the S25 Ultra. However, thinner bezels and refined frames add a touch of polish that keen observers will appreciate. It's evolution, not reinvention. The verdict: S26 Ultra or S25 Ultra? Here's the bottom line: if you can score an S25 Ultra with a discount, it's still an excellent device. The S26 Ultra brings noteworthy improvements, performance, camera refinements, and efficiency, but they're subtle and behind the scenes. Unless having the latest tech is non-negotiable, the S25 Ultra may be the smarter buy right now.